All
Can I
right.
say something?
Go ahead, Sweetie.
I'm in England, yeah? And you say if you come to England and you seek asylum and you either have a child here, doesn't matter if you have 10 pitney and you get the asylum and the asylum stick. No other state can get but the asylum. And you cannot go back to Jamaica. If you go back to Jamaica, you forfeit your stay. You can't go anywhere in the world except Jamaica because you seek asylum and you give up your right to your country.
In any country, that's it. But she don't come out and say asylum she seek. She said she get the straight document. I mean, say the document should enable you to travel. The documents, what she said she claims that she have, guys. What hot Rasta there? The document what she claims that she have. That document, the resident card with her passport should enable her to travel to Jamaica immediately. Once she get it today, and she want to go to Jamaica upon it tomorrow, she should have gone to Jamaica upon it tomorrow. What
Mother.
me not cut to me
Macy.
and goddess. Hold on now. Me not understand the part. Oh, you feel be a mother, and you have your blood clot son down there. And you not go down the, you talk to your mouth, say you have it for much years. And you're not going to look for your son? And I'm gonna know if you're gonna look for me out there, bring the gas, you gonna bring the gas. Oh my fucking God, make it make
That don't
sense.
make no sense.
Mother, I
What
have a point.
my love, come on, can't my love.
I have a point about this criminal thing. When I was 19, I got pulled over with a weapon in my car. It was a knife.
Yeah.
And I went to court for it when I was 19
But
years
that's
old.
you have to be in mind, say every country is different, you know.
But listen, mother.
Yeah.
Every single time I get pulled over, they put me in handcuffs because it doesn't say what the weapon was.
Yeah.
So every time I get pulled over, I'm in handcuffs. Every single time, because it doesn't tell the cops what my weapon was for. And it was a simple freaking knife that I had in plain sight.
Yeah.
So
But
they
maybe-
think I'm a criminal because every time I get pulled over, I'm cuffed up.
But maybe Belgium is different. But
Alright,
then again,
Let
hold
me
on.
say something again here. It's in England. If
We
you
not
get
talk about
one for
Belgium, with the
shoplifting,
girl.
yeah?
Belgium, we are talking about Belgium. So,
But I tell you,
Me can.
but we are all EU.
Elite, wait, my missus.
We
No,
will
but
just leave
England-
the EU where they.
No, England,
So-
no, but that means that England have different laws and regulations. They have to be fair. But what I know? Show out the fact to the wind that say the girl bring drugs, coke. Coke the girl bring, whether the Belgium one be different, yes or no. All of the story is not being told. Some things left off. Yes, she can get whatever she get through the data. Yes, the father, which is a citizen, have to stand for it. But what is missing? What you're not telling? Because the girl will have our residency, the same residency say I two something for a fair one and I want she tip and share one. I want and she said the part where this what talk what the restriction everything she black it out. Why you black it out? Your name not there. Your name not there, sir. No personal information there. Some of them tell us say something not right.
Just
What
like
up?
England biometric, it
we're
restricted
not-
to. It would tell you say you're entitled to public funds, and one would tell you say you don't entitled to it. All of us, England use biometric too. Resident card.
So,
Yeah. Are you
Listen,
restricted
listen.
on it?
Good afternoon, mother. I don't know why.
Hold on. Who first attack?
me can say something first, Macy.
talking first,
Go
but-
ahead, Tashana.
So, me did have the same permit as where she got, family of a EU. The whole processing time don't count in it. So if you wait 3 years to get the card, that 3 years don't count. It start from when you get the card. So for she said she have it for 4 years, and her daughter 4. So that don't make no sense.
All right, so Tashana, break it down in layman terms. What are you saying exactly? I understand what you're saying, you know. You said you have the same thing.
But
So
basically,
but hold on, Tashana, you having the same thing. Are you saying that you got it to your daughter or a son?
No, you get it through a family member. The permit is not just through kids. You can get it from your father, your mother. So it's not just through kids, but it's the same thing.
Okay. And you're saying that what she said don't make no sense.
Yeah, because if she they are Belgium, if the baby are 4,
My business, and I'm in the UK, and I live here for 25 years. And if my papers is in for 5 years, I don't have no stay. I can't go to the airport and said my paper is in the Home Office and I need to travel. If my passport is lost and I have my driver's license, I cannot go to the airport and said I need to go to Jamaica, but this is what I have. I don't have my passport. I can't go nothing. Secondly, asylum, you can't go back to Jamaica. This is why all of the Michibu and them people, they do so much shoplifting because they know they cannot go back. If you go back, you go back to the country that you say you're in fear of your life.
Yeah, and every country do that.
So this is why I wanted to ask a question. This is why I am actually here. Did she file an
asylum? She said she get the card to her daughter, and we're wondering where the criminal record went. Cause turnstile, come on, you might like her and everything. We don't like her.
Hold on. Me like it's like when you see it. Me like receipt. Hold on, no, stop from talk over me.
I have a shoplifting.
Hold on.
Wait, dentist, wait there. Where's the turnstile?
The reason why me come up in the box is because most people they misunderstand what it means to file an asylum. Because once you file an asylum, I don't care how much gingeration you have in Jamaica, it's the one country you cannot visit. You can visit, but until you get your permanency, until you're a citizen of that, but you can't go back there when you are resident. You have to go back there when you actually is a citizen of the country. Actually is a citizen of the country.
Get whatever she got to her, but what other turnstile? I don't care what they want to say. I'm not gonna sit here and play dumb. Alright, you're saying not true, turnstile. Turnstile is 100% accurate. But some people, some people broke the law. Some people break the law and go on different Caribbean island. And then
let me explain to this idiot.
But if they get caught, they're gonna lose everything. A lot of people not gonna jeopardize that. A lot of people not gonna risk that.
Hold on, let me say something to this nincompoop SHL. Let me tell you something. You can actually, let me tell you something. You can actually go back to Jamaica. You can actually go back to on your green card. But before you leave the United States, me don't know about no other country, but me they talk personally from the United States, they will tell you that if you go to Jamaica and on your way back, border patrol stop you and ask you one question. Only question they go ask you. They go ask you how you file for political asylum that you they run from whatever, and you can't go back to your country, because if you go back to your country, they're going to kill you. And that one question can get you barred from the US. A matter of fact, before you get your citizenship, you have to go back to Jamaica and wait for it. No. Enough people now will take that chance.
Turns out, could you just clarify something for me? I'm not arguing with you. I just want to ask a question. I really don't know. I just want to ask.
Shay and Queenie, come back.
Right. We're not gonna
Alright, Shay, guys, Shay is on the live and she blocked me, but we are trying to get to the bottom of this. I don't know if she, she blocked me so she can't go come defend herself, because we have to get her, because I'm going to come.
But madam,
I will that way.
So,
it took me a while. Hold on,
Crystal and Black Card.
Are you able to stay in the country even if you have a drug charge before getting your papers?
Macy,
Is that possible?
Macy,
Who is talking?
Vanny.
Nene.
Yeah, go ahead, Nene.
You see, in America, me know from Jamaica, me know like couple scammer where snitch pan them one another, over fine stitch man each other, and police lock them up and then can't come back to Jamaica, then seek asylum over there, cause then snitch. And then can't come back.
Yeah, but
Then
if she's saying she
snitch for
didn't,
other scammer.
Listen now,
but
let me tell you
if she's saying
something.
she didn't seek
Hold on now.
asylum,
One thing with me now, one thing with my daughters, I'm gonna look at this from every angle. But I just cannot comprehend this. I not understand this non-time. I not gonna understand it. Unless she come out and say she don't like her son, and she don't want nothing to do with her son. I cannot comprehend that she have it for 4 years and not care what. A good mother, but just
You know, what I say, she couldn't do it. You think that she couldn't do it?
no, if she have it for 4 years, or maybe she never have the money still, you know.
Mother,
I
was here.
Hold on, Macy. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on, Macy. You just said it a while ago. It could be it could be different reasons. You
Hold on, yeah.
There was one point in time where I couldn't go back because I didn't have the papers. And when that shift, there was another point in time I couldn't go back because we never have the money.
Yeah,
People's circumstances change.
But turnstile, all the circumstances.
Well, let me just say this and come off.
Hold on, the good
Mother,
God.
let me just say.
Hold on, now, Remus.
But Turnstile, you know,
Hold on. Oh my God. Hold on.
Turnstile, you don't have to come off. You angle it with mother.
Hold on, wait.
Mother.
Sashay, are you say you want someone come down?
Yeah, I want to say something come down, mother.
No, mother, may I say something?
Yeah, mother, where my do? Something come down.
Who said you want to say someone come down?
Me, Nancy.
All right, hold on there. All who talk about on the thing ticket cheap. Me, a real blood clot mother.
Yeah,
One mother will
talk.
One
day I'm going to talk.
Hold on, me's a man. I'm a transgender, I can't breed. A mother will have them blood clot pitney and love them pitney. Now, no, what them can't travel upon. And see them 5 years and them have a choice.
You're crazy.
Them have a choice. Them have the option. Them have if them have the go ahead if you can't go because them have the documents to travel and them not gonna look for them son.
You're mad.
Them not. I can't understand when you can't travel when you don't have the documents. When you don't have documents, I understand you have to sit down 10 years, 15 years, 20 years and wait. But you can't travel, you know what? And you don't go. On the corner of the chicken with that blood clot. 4 years.
Mother.
4 years.
Mother, I come here.
And because this is the difference within the remember when just coming out, I win. But when the girl come, when KB come and KB are explain and KB they're the same place. And KB say, 2 somewhere upon fear 1. I 1 upon fear 1. That means a fear 1 have stipulations. Me not hear that.
She choose to talk when she
and wait now. Not even that. Macey'S Belgium, 4 years I got third airline. You can't come beg money for Brittany. You can't come beg money for Brittany. You're not gonna come beg if you go look for your son too.
Mother.
Go ahead.
Mother, let me just say this and drop down now.
Go ahead.
Mother, I understand what you say, and that caused the whole argument right now because they must say, how is it that she quick to come down for Brit and she couldn't do it for her son? She been said long time so she have filed for her son. To the person who say her son they are for Turnstile and a couple of no the rest of them just are run with ears.
Son is not
make no sense. No, nah, make no sense. You know, just listen for respond and not listen for understand. The point is, how is it that she quick for go down to Brittany and she said she have it so long, but she could have.
On the on our record now for anything she do or whatever, and not only that, out of her own mouth, she said she have the documents for 4 years, soon to be 5 years. Turnstile, you have a child in Jamaica, a son in Jamaica you haven't seen for years, right? You have never. Turnstile, you don't have a son down there, you don't have a daughter down there. Maybe you do, I don't know if you do. A good parent, because we cannot have it all the way. We cannot get it our way with different things. So it's either you're not a good parent, or you snitch the infant on people, and then let you out of jail so that you can get a chance to get the documents to your daughter. The math ain't mathing. Period.
Madam.
It's not math.
Can I just say something?
Hold on there.
Can I just say something? I've been waiting a while.
Go ahead.
Oh, mother, I don't really care what nobody want to say. She don't like Jamaica. She can't take the flight, blah, 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 blah. When I come to England, yeah, and I spend, first when I come to England, I have to put myself through college because that's one of the ways I can go about getting a stay.
Yeah.
And that's what I did. And I was here for 2 years. When they finally give me my stay, they give me 1 year. And I pay for my ticket, come in and work off the books. And me take how much time. The ticket are like all £400. I never have it. I pay for my ticket and how much go pay down for my ticket. Because guess what? I have my pick near Jamaica when I see for 2 years. When I got to make £500, I have it in my pocket. I never care about nobody. I care about the black foreigner. I'm a son, me I go look for. You can't tell me say you have stay foreign and you have your baby a Jamaica that look for him. That's crazy.
You know, you know what people feel for understand me.
Danny, you have to wait a turn because they have 1, 2, 1 in front of you. Dainty Sue, every mother or parent is different. Some parents don't give a fuck because they know I'm being a parent. Some parents put them kids first. We don't know what's the case with her. I am trying to be logical and I'm trying to be fair. But is she gonna come out and say she don't give a fuck about her son, she don't care about her son and she never want to see her son? We don't know that. We don't know if that's the case. We don't know if she didn't have the money to travel. But come on now. If you have it for 4 years, somewhere along the line, I saw life rough the whole 4 years, and not only that, if you can't come and beg for Britney if you go fix Britney problem, you know could have come beg for go visit the son same way. Cause TikTok like Britney now. TikTok love kids. Once there's a kid involved, TikTok love blood clot Britney. What you think say red and black and still blood clot relevant for the app and slug one for the app?
Macy, can I be a devil's advocate and say maybe she want to kill 2 birds with 1 stone?
No. If she even want to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, and that's how she make it look. She make it look like it's just about Brittany. Vanny talk. But hey, first time, when you still not get the point, say something not right and something not add up. The story not 100%. But where the conviction gone?
So if we're speaking,
was the conviction forgiven? The drug.
Let's forget everything. We don't have what happened, why she wasn't turned back to her home country.
Exactly.
Bringing drugs. So I can't speak on the UK, but in Canada, my parents are Jamaican.
Vanny, me no cut you, Vanny.
No problem.
Vanny, me no cut you. I remember when she reached there with the drugs, maybe she wasn't even living there at the moment yet.
Okay. So she was on a job.
What kind of work for compassion them could have for you, so unless you give them something vital. You give them something. You gave up someone or something. You gave up information to the people that just release it in them country. So take it into consideration. You just bring drugs in them country.
And as you said, like I said, I can't speak on Belgium, but I'm from Canada. My parents are Jamaican. We're all Jamaican. If you
see, me know you don't kick me off your life after me say this. You said
long time we in the box now wait. Hold on. I didn't mean to the matter this, you know. Hold on it. Because me say run our program with you say if you come here and speak
Ashaba, hold on, Ashaba, but you rat old people and you just feel it online. I don't know who you talk, my love, because I couldn't hear talk. Talk turns down, you say.
Hold on there. Please not kick you out of your box. And we are still friends. But we don't listen.
No, but if I fuck you talk, I'm tell you I fuck you talk.
Hold on. All right. She bring drugs in the country, and for whatever reason they never deport her. We're not perfect. Certain things go down and they limit your movement. You speak it publicly. They limit your movement in the country. They never deport you. So couldn't be the same laws of attraction apply to
yes, it could be the same law, but you have to listen what she said. Different from what remember I came out and said them take my green card. Remember I came out and said me did have to do X, Y, Z. Remember I came out and said I had the permanent resident card and I no longer have it. It's not the secret. And me tell them some can't go back to Jamaica because of my sexuality.
But not everybody gonna do that, me say like how you do it.
Darry, but we don't know what, but at the end of the day, turnstile.
Yeah.
I'm in America, she's in Belgium. Yes, maybe they have different laws, maybe they have different rules, maybe they have different regulations. But I would assume that every country takes drug trafficking seriously.
And
yeah, but we don't know we don't know what she actually do. She squats it out with them.
So turnstile, I never had to do a day in prison for the give up people, you know. And
right, you made that very clear. You made that very clear.
I had a status. Listen on, and my sexuality, I keep me in America now. Can Shay say the same? That's not what she's saying. So it's not the same. She's saying that she got it through her daughter. So if she got it through her daughter, my point is, you got it to your daughter because of your boyfriend, because your man is on good terms, and he want to do a favor for you because the daughter, when the daughter born, the daughter couldn't go to the consulate or no, we're going to do nothing for you because the daughter can't talk, the daughter can't write, the daughter can't do nothing at all. So she and the man would have been in a good grace. So turnstile, at this moment, because I know you're intelligent and I know you're not stupid. So right now, I feel like you're picking up for Shay because you're not taking into consideration that you eliminate the drugs, you know. You're eliminating the drugs, you know.
The facts of the information.
You're not talking about the drugs where she carried her to the country and she wasn't living in the country at the time when she was bringing the drugs.
Or so the facts of the information.
You did not contribute nothing to the country while you were bringing in the drugs. So why the country would want to keep you in a them country, taking into consideration you're bringing debt possibly in a them country and negative drugs in a them country?
And remember,
just now you said me to take up for Shay. Let me tell you what I'm doing. I
waited for Turnstile to speak and I can't even finish.
All right, go ahead, Vanny. Go ahead, yeah.
I was trying to say, like, let's eliminate what we think and go off the facts of the information that she herself. Hello?
Baby girl, I'm hearing you. Go ahead.
Oh, go off the facts of the information that she's giving us.
That's what we're going off. I'm going to find out based on what she said.
Not
that exactly going over the avenue.
What could have happened or what we think happened. The first thing she said was she did not seek asylum. So I feel
Asylum.
like
So we're not supposed
that
to over here talk about
conversation
asylum.
should just be thrown out the window just for a second. You guys could bring it back up
Yeah.
after, but let's just throw that away for a second. So if she went through the process of getting her papers, green card, or whatever the situation is in Belgium, and before all of this happened, she was convicted of a drug charge. The law's not just gonna look at somebody and be like, oh, just because I have in my heart, I feel like you're a good person, I'm not going to deport you. There's a piece of the information that is missing that we all
Big,
don't have on
a major chunk is missing.
exactly
Major chunk is missing
on
because
why she was able to stay in the country before even getting her papers or that process started.
before even having the blood clot, baby,
It
talk
would
about
be
that.
different if
Hold
she
on
was
now.
already in the process
Data,
of
before she even get pregnant. So all
exactly.
the baby argument is secondary.
And
The,
so
ba-
that are exactly my point. So let's
the baby is secondary because remember she never did that breed when she got the drugs in the country.
okay.
So
So along
I'm
with
not
the
talk.
asylum, let's also take out the fact of the child because the criminal charge happened before any of these stipulations were put into place. If it happened while the process was going on, then we could say, oh, because of this, she didn't seek asylum and got her papers through the child or the child's father. Sorry, my third point. Sorry, I lost my thought for a second. So now that we took out those two stipulations, like I said, we do not have that part of the information, which is either she did seek asylum and was able to
Banny, you know I don't cut you.
no problem.
And that makes her a liar. That makes her a fucking liar because she's not being forthcoming. Period. Point blank. Period. That make her a fucking liar. They're not transparent. She not being honest, and she had tell lie.
And
She's
I
telling
was
lies.
also saying that I have family members that are from Jamaica that have been caught in the airport bringing up drugs and these things. Canada is not going to look at you and be like, unless you're underage, I don't see why they would look at someone and be like, because I feel for you or God's telling me that you're a good person or whatever the situation is, we're not deporting you back home. No, they're going to make you serve your time and send you back.
Yeah. But then what am I talking about? Because they're making it seem like Belgium is such a fucking weak country. And Belgium not have
Even if
no
it was a weak
policies.
country,
Belgium not have no rules and regulations.
and drug charges are very
Belgium not
serious.
have Belgium not have not all. Anybody can go to Belgium and do anything, go commit murder, do anything at all, and they're gonna be lenient with you because you have one pity there. Because you have one pity there, they're gonna be lenient. Look here, me not buy the story coming to eat that. Me not eat that, my love. Me have to get the explanation. I understand. I know. Say yeah, all right. She tell the truth and she say this happen and that happen. But still, I don't know. Other people. Me not bash her, you know.
And that's
But
what I
she
was saying.
tell
I'm not
she a tell lie.
so exactly. And something, even if she's not telling the
Okay.
lie, she's not being forthcoming of
So me say
what
if
happened
Then you
before.
should not be forthcoming. That mean if you withhold information, that mean you're lying.
And then you should have never
You're being
came out and
deceptive.
tried to prove
me say
anything or tell
if a
us
man
anything.
give you
Holy
a
sunshine.
stash for carry and then take where the stash from him find you, don't the man they look for him money? What if she can't go back to Jamaica because he owe the man?
She
Then you
never
would have
come tell me that.
you would have
Well, I
sought
know. She
asylum, but
never,
she also never told us
under that
that.
she say, turns out under that she said, God, Jamaica go deal with Brittany. You know, talk what the girl say. She said she going to Jamaica, go help Brittany. I'm now get past it a blood clot, or you have a son that the whole long. And you have the documents according to her. According to what because of what she said, she been have the documents all long. So if you're on TikTok all long, and you can put your pride aside, come back for Brittany. Why you couldn't put your pride aside? All right, so she never have the money for the ticket. Why you can't, you put your pride aside for come back for Brittany, for go down for Brittany. So why you couldn't come back for your blood clot son? Who don't make you quicker for come back? Yes, you pity them.
No.
me nah fall. Because at the end of the day, me nah get it none at all a blood clot. She have to come explain it.
But you have
She
to
not have to come.
understand, no continue to use this, the pitney. And every parents, look how much our parents run away from Wappy kill Philip and then still,
Yes, at share.
still not look for it and then still
Stay in
not.
there.
I would need to take out the fear. Look how much our parents run away from Wappy kill.
Nene, you have to come back. Yeah, I'll go down or whatever. Hold on there. Vanny, you done? You have the paper. All right. The paper.
I have one question about turnstile.
KP
What
chain. Big up
about
yourself first.
turnstile?
Hold on now. I will check the box. Oh. Oh, yeah, Lisa. God pity you have to come down. I can't take this right now. Go ahead, baby.
But I have one question about turnstile said. Probably we don't know her business, which I don't care about her business because I don't like her in the first place. The thing is, probably she can't go back, even if she wanted to, because of what she did, because she got caught carrying illegal substances into another country. Remember the person that she got caught?
I them give her the jogs. See them here. Pet them. I think it's a little thing for bring the jogs. She won't be the first. She won't be the last. But something not right. She not tell the
Yeah,
truth.
something is not right.
And
And
the pit.
when you seek asylum, means you know when you seek asylum, them give you a certain period of time. Say if you go home in that and they don't busy with anything happen to you, they don't busy with you. Period across the board. They give you a certain period of time.
Now say she can't go Jamaica, you know. And now say she don't have the right documents to go Jamaica. But how she get the right documents to go Jamaica? She not just get it so. And it's not the daughter just gear it so without nothing. Cause before she get to the daughter, she did in a prison. Before she get to the daughter, she did bring drugs. So how she blood clot come out? What happened with it? What going with that time there? Explain the part to it.
Macy, give me a minute there, please.
What would you say, Darry?
Record them when you back me up. Me
Yes,
hear the
sister.
queen is in the background say she send her one invitation letter. You cannot send invitation when you're on government benefits.
Never know at all.
Once you come to your after work and she not working. I'm gone.
Once you have benefit, once you
Dari,
have
let's hear from you, Dari.
Darry, what Darry I say? And I'm going to share alone live a blood clot, Europe. Darry, talk to your plain short.
Listen, Macy, we have to understand that people cases different. And you have some weird cases. You have different liar. You might can be one liar, and then you could tell me say and then when we go in, we find a way for twist Anthony. The truth not talk about everything we're talk on the internet.
No,
Larry,
Like the whole green card,
Larry.
just like the whole green card process.
Nobody,
we can't file for green card, you
nobody
file for
can
your green.
dispute that. But how do we get to that point? How do we get there? In her case,
Larry.
Oi,
Let me something to you. I'm looking for and I like you a lot. I mean, you're not idiot. I'm going to share something with you. Because millions of people from Macey'S, I'm going to share something with you. Me get myself in one country already. Get trouble in one country already. And so I get myself in trouble. You know what the people they want to do me? Deport me nastiness because guess what? I'm not from that country. You know what I have to do? I have to ball out to asylum in the country. To stay the people in the country and fight the case.
I understand that record about we just said we did have when we work here, remember I said let's work it out a while ago in Macy. You said there's 2 cases she can do. She said she not do the asylum part. So we're gonna assume say other one where you say.
I assume my love, if she not come talk it, not gonna all over the place.
Macy, you're very intelligent and idiot. Don't assume nothing. The only thing I'm gonna support your 100 with it. On the way she can stay in that country, she have to seek asylum or tell the people. And if I sell you saying sell the people, them still come back down to asylum same way.
So what if she really got Jamaica before? What we are gonna say?
What? Let me hear that. She can't go to Jamaica. Nothing. She can go to Jamaica. But over the years now, she must get what she's supposed to get. She can go to Jamaica. She can go.
And then, Patterson, you have your opinion of Jamaica all long, and you say you get the documents from 4 years now. And you know, try to is it either 2 things? Is it that you don't really care about the son? You don't really care about the son?
Maybe she not connected to that Sunday. She not connected, and everybody have Pitney connected to them, you know.
And I'm sure you see. I remember.
Maybe she's taking care of the child from a distance.
We have to normalize
Yes.
it. Yes, you have some parents there so for sure. It don't look good, but
No,
it
but
real.
did she come out and say that?
Dari,
Hold
still
on
Dari, to
then.
be honest with you,
Why
look
should
very
I assume
different from
that?
now.
Why should I assume that and I could be wrong? If you come out and tell a story, you don't tell how it go? First time the first name you are.
Huh?
Mother.
Yes,
Remember
Millionaire got it.
when KB was talking, KB said she's falling under the F under the family thing because she had the child at the time. But now she no longer has that child. It was a 5-year thing she was given. She no longer has that child under her care. So when that thing is expired,
So she's not gonna be able to renew it.
so can she renew it? That's what I want to know.
Just a liar.
She said she's not gonna get to renew it because she have a 4-year old now, and she don't have the daughter in her position. She's not the guardian for the daughter.
Yeah, neither she nor the father is the guardian of the child. So when her thing expires after 5 years, how is she gonna get? Is she trying to get her kid out of the foster care?
Smiles. You can't understand because she in everybody's business. A journalism I do for your site of my content. I know God come just say what you want to feel like I me by it. Because guess what now? We are dive and we are dissect and we are blood clot comprehend and remember this is what Shays said. And what Shays said, we are going by. And when Shays said turnstile, we're going by. And when she said out of fear mouth, we are going by. And everybody put on TikTok gullible. And I'm going to just buy a blood clot story because the story has to sell. And the story not sell for me because I'm not paying money for it.
Back in 2023, late 2023, she came on live and she stated she bring drugs and she got caught and she seek asylum and she got her papers and she's working. That is because she's not living on the system. Why she stated that they were talking about destiny and why destiny not working. And she said she's working because she's not living on the stage. She talked it out of her mouth that she filed for asylum. So I don't know why now she has switched.
That is.
Okay, you see what I'm trying to say?
And if your child give you something to a country, why you give away something we give you? Why you give away the child we give you stay in the
That is
God.
Me just want to ask one question. Just one question and come off.
Hold on, Rose Steven. Hold on, Whitney, which another talk. Guadeloupe, you just hit the nail upon the blood clad head. Because remember, when I should get the documents, I want to get the stay if she get it. And she said she get it. And the same data, you have to go rely upon to renew it. So when you give her the blood clot data now, how are you going to renew it? Because the man can't come renew it for you now because you're the man not there anymore. And you're the man in nothing. So how are you going to fucking renew it? Because the lie she tell. Who said that? Go and Rose.
Mother, I want you to say she'll come Jamaica. That's a question I want to ask.
I don't know.
Next week, alright. We'll wait for next week to see what I'm going. Alright.
A barrel look.
Yeah. You give it. KB is still here. KB does.